Looking for easy ways for your students to practice writing digitally and keyboarding? Learning A to Z has several digital tools and features designed to help students sharpen those skills, read closely, think critically, explore new vocabulary, and interact with text in a meaningful way. If you haven't already, now is a great time to familiarize yourself and your students with Kids A to Z's annotation tools. After students select a book, they can mark it up as they read. Model for students how to underline or highlight important information, stamp parts of the text that spark a connection or are confusing, and leave comments throughout the text. Remind students that doing so will make it easier to locate information that will be helpful when using evidence from the text to support a response. Another great way to get your students thinking and writing is to use the My Word Journal and Reflections features. Students can add new words to their journal by clicking the book, then Add New Word. Students can fill in the blanks to create a list of words and definitions unique to them. When students are ready to reflect on what they've read, they can click Reflections, add reflection, and then write away. Encourage students to make connections to the text, document questions they have, summarize what they've read, practice using words from their journals, and so much more. This is a perfect way to build your students' writing stamina. Start by asking them to write for short periods of time and gradually increase the writing sessions as they become more confident and comfortable. Did you know that you can customize quizzes to include constructed response questions? This is another great way to get students to practice writing digitally. Once you have identified the text you'd like to assign, click Assign and make sure you've checked the box next to Include Constructed Response Question in Quiz. Select Students and click Assign. When students take the quiz, in addition to the multiple choice, they'll have the opportunity to respond to an open-ended question. You'll be able to evaluate their responses to gauge each student's level of understanding. If you'd like to customize instructions, add the text to the file cabinet, click Assign, and then select the options you want to include. Use the Message to Students section to tailor assignments to meet the needs of your students. Using the digital features that Raz+ offers is an easy way to help your students become more comfortable writing digitally and to practice the annotation and comprehension skills that will help them to become successful, lifelong communicators.